Hey guys, I'm Asian.
And I'm Farm Truck.
We're at PRI 2018 here in the MAHLE booth. And as you know, we like to build different stuff. And what I mean by different is we like to build sleepers, you know, kind of wolves in sheep clothing, you know?
Sure, exactly, like the Farm Truck, Dung Beetle,
and
Jeeper Sleeper.
Jeeper Sleeper. And when we first started the Jeeper Sleeper, it was kind of a daily driver project that got out of control. And you know, when things get out of control, so can the products within the vehicle themselves. So what we decided to do is keep it small displacement.
Yep.
We contacted Modern Muscle, and Modern Muscle has a great partnership with MAHLE here. And they said, hey, you know them from NASCAR, you know them from F1, and you know that they put these parts in OE, but can you make a street legal vehicle fast that's making a lot of horsepower in a short amount of time in a heavy vehicle? It's 5,000 pounds. You know everything about being heavy, right?
Oh yeah,
and I mean,
we're heavyweight, but not champions.
No, and not the person, the truck, right?
I've been slimming a little bit.
But you don't need pistons.
That's true, that's true.
So at 5,000 pounds, it wasn't necessarily the horsepower that we were pushing, but it was the pressure that was going to be competing with the product inside the engine. And MAHLE said, yeah, we can do that. And so they developed a piston for a 405 cubic inch engine that we put inside the Jeeper Sleeper. That's also Procharged, makes around 900 to the wheels, give or take a couple hundred depending on what we're doing. But we've never had an issue. We've probably put, I don't know, over 100 passes on that thing. We've tested it up and down the track, up and down the street.
It still lives.
You know, it's our job to break stuff.
That's right.
And probably me more than Farm Truck, but you know what? I get in that thing, I put it in drive, I smash the gas, I let the Procharger eat, I let the pistons give me the peace of mind at night to tell me that, you know what, MAHLE is the tooth fairy. You put it under the pillow and we're gonna make sure that everything's all right, so.
That's right. MAHLE Pistons, Asian tested, Farm Truck approved.